Climate change is accelerating faster than ever. But what if artificial intelligence could help us fight back, smarter and faster than we imagined? From extreme heat to floods and wildfires, the planet is in crisis. And behind every event is data that AI can help decode, predict, and act upon. AI helps scientists create accurate climate models, predict extreme events earlier, and provide faster response strategies. The more data AI has, the better we can prepare for disasters. AI is optimizing clean energy, predicting sunlight and wind patterns, improving battery storage, and balancing smart grids to reduce emissions. AI powers smart cities, tracking carbon output, optimizing traffic, and managing urban energy use to reduce the environmental footprint. AI is helping farmers adapt to climate change, from precision planting to soil health monitoring, boosting yields while saving water and resources. The future is not hopeless. AI, combined with human innovation, can help us adapt and maybe even reverse some of the damage done. Will AI be our greatest tool against climate change, or is it already too late? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more episodes on AI's role in global challenges.